Hello everyone and welcome back to the Trusted Car Products Testing Studio and to our Trusted Car Products YouTube channel. Thank you for checking in with us for another of our product review videos. We have on test today the G3 Professional Wheel Cleaner, which is a new product from the team at G3. Now we actually spoke to the guys at Waxstock from G3. We were actually sat next to them at the trade dinner, so we got to chat to them quite extensively. And they're very enthusiastic for their new range of products. So they're really trying to tap into the detailing market with a complete new range of products, which they have kindly sent us and we're going to be putting through their paces. Like I say, today's focus is the wheel cleaner. We've got this Kia Sportage behind us and we're going to have a look at how it performs on the wheel of this car, which as you can see is pretty dirty. Okay, so the first thing that the G3 team recommend that you do before using their wheel cleaner is to blast the wheel down with a jet wash. This is just to take off the excess dirt so that the wheel cleaner can really attack the embedded dirt on the wheel and isn't being wasted on surface dirt. So we're just going to blast the wheel down as they recommend. Okay, so as you can see, after the initial blast down with the jet wash, the wheel is still filthy. It's got a lot of sort of orange tinging where there's brake dust fallout that's embedded into the wheel and just general grime on there. So we're now going to spray the wheel liberally with the G3 wheel cleaner. Now this does have a built-in colour changing property, much like a fallout remover, that shows when the product's ready to be rinsed off and when it's finished reacting with the dirt on the wheel. So we'll just spray that over the face of the wheel now. It's got quite a thick gel type consistency to it, which is always good on a wheel cleaner because it allows for more targeted cleaning. It means it can really dwell where it needs to and attack the dirt. Okay, so we've let the wheel cleaner now dwell on the wheel for around 3 to 4 minutes. It says on the bottle to allow 2 to 5 minutes, that's about right. As you can see, it's turned purple all over, almost like a bleeding type fashion. This is very much a fallout remover based wheel cleaner. A lot of fallout removers you can use on bodywork as well, but this one is labelled as a dedicated wheel cleaner, so we don't recommend using it on your bodywork. But like I say, as you can see, it's turned a lot of the brake dust to that colour changing purple to show it's done its thing, hopefully. So we're now going to blast the wheel down and see the final results. Okay, so hopefully you've seen from the footage there on this Kia that it has done a really good job of cleaning up this wheel. Now, like I said at the start of the video, when we spoke to the G3 team at Waxstock, they're very enthusiastic for this new range of products. I must say, as a first impression, this wheel cleaner is absolutely fantastic. Very easy to use, quick mist over, leave it to do its thing, blast it away, you're left with a clean wheel with a completely touchless result. We didn't have to agitate it with any brushes or anything like that. It does say on the label if you need to go ahead and agitate it, but it is designed to be as touchless as possible, and it certainly was the case here. So a big thumbs up on the overall results from that one. We are going to be looking through the rest of the G3 range. We've got plenty of their products on test, so we'll be bringing you more videos on the G3 products. Keep an eye out on the Trusted Car Products website for our written reviews of them as well. But thoughts on this overall? Great product, well priced. It comes in at around the £12 mark. Now that is a touch more expensive than some wheel cleaners, but it does have the added bonus that this has a built-in sort of fallout removal kick as well, with the colour change technology. So when you factor that in, it's actually good value for money. So overall, very impressive product. One that we'll be certainly looking to do some more testing with, and certainly one that we'll probably look to stock in the detailing studio and use ourselves as well. Thank you for checking out the Trusted Car Products YouTube channel today and another of our product review videos. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful and informative as well. Please drop the video a like, share it with people you think would be interested, and drop a subscribe to the channel if you're new. We really do appreciate all the support we get. It helps us to grow as a brand, and if we grow as a brand, it helps both you and the detailing industry as well. So thank you again for tuning in. Please check us out, trustedcarproducts.co.uk, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram as well if you have those services. And we look forward to seeing you again soon.